Came down to go work out at the Brad Akins YMCA and saw two Sasquatch Broncos. I gotta show you. Cyber orange 2-door and a carbonized gray 4-door. This is a Wildtrak Sasquatch on 35s with a 2-inch kit by Bilstein. Looking great. Definitely takes it next level with the Sasquatch package. But here next door, the main attraction is the Cyber Orange Wildtrak with the lift kit on top of the Sasquatch package, and we're on 37s now. Nitto Recon Grappler all-terrain tire. So this video for y'all today is just to show you a distinct difference in, I mean, like this really dwarfs a stock Bronco with the smaller street tires on it, but this really dwarfs this one. Both are Sasquatch. This one has the Ready lift kit. This one's a standard 2-inch lifted from the factory Sasquatch package. Both look amazing. No difference in the 2-door to 4-door. You're gonna get the same height and overall appearance difference between the two. So let me know what you think. Do you like the way the 37s look? We've already driven this. I drove it a couple days ago, so it's not like it's a surprise, y'all, but I just wanted to finally get these two side by side. So how convenient before I go get my lift on that these are sitting side by side. I want to bring it to you today. Carbonized gray, again, both have the same factory wheel on them. This comes with a Goodyear tire, a Territory MT 315 7017, so it's essentially a 35 by 12.5 wide. The carbonized gray hard top. The Bilstein adaptive coilover package is very adequate. Ride quality is so superior to me in comparison to like the stock package, so I'm very pleased with this system overall. As you know, we had a Bronco with this kit on it and did not change the geometry or lift height of it at all. So got 12,000 miles with this particular package Bronco, but the small time I've had driving this particular kit on a Sasquatch with a 37s, it looks amazing. The only thing I could say maybe is when you go to 37s on this kit with that factory wheel, you're definitely pushed in still a lot with that factory positive offset on that factory wheel. So I guess if I had to make some sort of suggestion, it would be to change this wheel, get the stance wider, because something you have to contemplate and consider is the fact that you're going even taller now, but you're not going any wider. So rollover may be a little more prominent there. So that's just something to take notice of. And then overall handling is not going to be quite as well. Obviously, if your center of mass is now taller, so if it can go wider at the same time as going taller, then you're going to get an overall better, confident, safe ride quality experience, both on and off road. And this front shot right here, you definitely can see the height difference. Again, stock Wildtrak Sasquatch, modified Sasquatch Bronco. Both are Wildtraks, both are Sasquatch. Ready lift kit, stock 2-inch kit by Bilstein. Big difference, 37s, 35s. Yes! Let me know, carbonized gray versus cyber orange. Which one do you like better overall, color-wise? I actually do like that factory wheel. Again, you're so pushed in as far as the positive offset. I would like to see and incorporate a more offset wheel, especially when going with this particular package here, but not trying to degrade this one at all. Again, I drove it the other day and it drives and rides out amazing. I'm just giving it little detailed, real deal thoughts there. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. We are the Bronco source. We are the F-150 source. We are the F-450 source. We are the Super Duty source. It goes on and on and on. We can say we're the Jeep, whatever you got, y'all. Akins, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, Winder, Georgia. Come see us. Peace out. Yes.